Ang awiting ito ay ihahandog ko kay Inday Ragas. Inday Ragas, sana maibigan mo ang aking sintonadong boses. Ito'y isang acapella song lang. Nabasa ko kasi ang comments mo. Masyado kong na-appreciate yon. At meron kang comments doon na sana makantahan kita ng isang acapella song. Ayan. Ito'y handog ko para sa iyong lahat. Hindi ka naman nag-request, pero ito ay para sa iyo, ang Times of Your Life mula kay Paul Anka, isang lumang awitin mula kay Paul Anka. Thank you for watching and see you on my next record. Ito'y para sa iyo at para sa lahat. Inday Ragas, huwag mong sana pagtawanan ang aking sintonadong boses. Iyan, sisimulan ko na ang Times of Your Life. Ayan. Good morning, yesterday. You wake up and time has slipped away, and suddenly it's hard to find the memories you left behind. Remember, do you remember the laughter and the tears, the shadows of misty yesteryears, the good times and the bad you've seen, and all the others in between? Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Reach out for the joy and the sorrow. Put them away in your mind. The memories are time that you borrow to spend when you get to tomorrow. Here comes the setting sun. The seasons are passing one by one. So gather moments while you may collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, will you remember the times of your life? Guys, para sa inyong lahat ito, isang awiting mula kay Paul Anka, ang Times of Your Life, at para kay Inday Ragas na nasa UK. Gather moments while you make, collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, will you remember the times of your life? Wala sa tono. Of your life. Of your life. Do you remember, baby? Do you remember the times of your life? Do you remember, baby? Do you remember the times of your life? Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next record, and God bless. Sana'y nagustuhan nyo at naibigan nyo ang aking sintonadong boses, at pasensya na po at pinasakit ko ang inyong mga tenga. Ayan, Times of Your Life mula kay Paul Anka, isang classic song. Handog ko para sa inyong lahat at kay Inday Ragas. Good morning, yesterday.